Hello friends, I'm Dr. Anup Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Farm Ease. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to operate the UV spectrophotometer, and this is 4 microgram per ml solution, and this is 6 microgram, this is 8 microgram per ml solution, and this is 10 microgram per ml solution. So before going for the analysis of any drugs using UV spectrophotometry, you have to plot a calibration curve in which the several standards need to be prepared. So in my previous video you can find out how to make the different calibrations and maintain the different stocks or of different concentrations, and these are the multi-system components. So you can analyze by means of the 10 microgram systems, but it is a multiple system, it nullifies the different errors. And we have one more test tube in which we are taking the medium, or it is called as a blank. In the blank we are taking as a medium and it is nullified. So you are looking at the interface of the UV spectrophotometer. It has different modes. If I press 1 through these keys, see, these are the keys 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are the keys which will move you to take into the different modes. Here you will look at different modes. In the mode 1 you will see the photometric, 2 spectrum mode, 3 quantification, and so on. The different modes are available, and in which fourth one is the kinetics, fifth one is the time scan, and sixth one multi-components analysis. Rest other is the other utility functions of the UV spectrophotometers. You are looking at the cuvettes. These are the two different cuvettes. One is used for blank and another one is used for the sample. So if you are looking carefully, you will see that these are the transparent side of the cuvettes, and if I will tilt it slightly, change it, you will see that the opaque side of the cuvette is appeared. Okay, first we have to place the blank sample into it, and that blank sample is inserted into the cuvette holders, and then we have to give the commands through spectrophotometers. So first we have to fill the cuvettes with the blanks. Here you will see this is a blank solution, or it is a medium in which we prepare the drug solution, and both of these cuvettes is being filled, and it is again wiped off so that extra solvent is removed. So first cuvette is being filled into the holder. This is a cuvette holder. You can see that this side should be placed, since the direction of radiation is this, the radiation coming from this direction, and the second cuvette is also filled with the sample, and it is being kept into the holder. So once we have to place this blank always in this holder, and sample is get replaced through this holder. Okay, so close it down. Now we have to analyze the drug using first or mode 1. Spectro is in the photometric mode. I press the button 1, and looking at the screen you will see that the 249 nm showing some absorbance of the solvent. So first we have to move to auto 0 so that the error associated with the solvent is nullified. You will find that the sample is showing blank, is showing any absorbance. It means the system is kept as auto zero mode. Reviewing the content of the cuvette, you just place the sample into the cuvette. Make the surface clear of cuvette into the sample holder and close it down. Check the absorbance, its value is 0.307. Now the third sample I am having is 6 microgram per ml solution, and this solution is transferred into the cuvette. See, we have to remove the extra solvent which can be placed on the surface. It will affect the absorbance value or may produce interference. So we are going to place again into the sample holder and close it down. Check the absorbance value of this solution. I am having the next sample which having the concentration of 8 microgram per ml. It is transferred into the cuvette. Surface is made clear and it is again placed. Check the value of 8 microgram per ml solution. So I am having the next solution of concentration 10 microgram per ml. It is being transferred into the cuvette. Make the surface clear of cuvette and it is being placed into the sample holder in the transparent direction so that rays of source strike to the transparent surface. It is closed it down. Check the absorbance. Check the absorbance of 10 microgram per ml solution strength. So friends, in this way we will prepare the standard curve. Remember, standard curve is the known concentration and we know the response is in absorbance unit. Then let's see how Excel plot comes out, what is the R square value and equation of the line. We have the unknown concentration, so I placed blank, and let's see what is the concentration using all these standard curves. Again it is placed into the cuvette holders and let's check what is the absorbance of this. Close it down. The unknown sample has the absorbance of 0.699 or 701. So in this way you can plot the standard curve of the drug and you will find out the concentration of unknown sample by correspondingly drawing the standard plots using Excel sheet. I am also showing the Excel sheet in that figure. In this way we will know how to plot the standard curve and we are going to analyze the drug concentration of unknown sample by comparing it with the standard curve. So standard curve is basically a plot of known concentration with the instrument response, absorbance. While the response is calculated, indirectly we are going to calculate the unknown concentration. So hope you like this video. Friends, comment on the video, share, like and subscribe.